Okay, today we have an unboxing of an Esterbrook pen, and there's a new color coming out for the standard Esterbrook Estie lines. And the color will be available as a fountain pen and a rollerball and a ballpoint. And I have the fountain pen, the oversized fountain pen, and the rollerball here, but you'll be able to get this new color in your standard size fountain pen, oversized fountain pen, rollerball, or ballpoint. Okay, we're gonna go with the sea glass oversized fountain pen with gold trim. So you do have the option of gold trim or silver trim. They are in their newer style box with the cream and red combination of colors and all the Esterbrook branding. And that's just a cardboard box, and you just open it up. Sorry if you see my hands are covered in ink. I was doing ink comparison earlier. And inside you find the red canvas covered box with the Esterbrook name on top, and it's a magnetic closure. And you go ahead and open that. And then inside, their packaging is really nice. This is a soft, like velvety material, and it's got the Americans Original Reborn, because the Esterbrook name did come back fairly recently, but it is one of the originals in the pen industry here in America anyway. And then you have your Esterbrook information and a polishing / cleaning cloth here with your pen. It also comes with an ink cartridge. That is a standard international size ink cartridge, so your pen will be compatible with any standard international size cartridges that you want to use. This is the new color, and this is not a limited edition or seasonal type of color edition, which, I mean, I love those, but this is going to be one of their new regular colors. And this is sea glass. So as I said, you can get your sea glass with gold trim like so, or there's also a silver trim, a Palladium trim available. The name sea glass comes from the referencing the beautiful sea glass you find washed up on beaches and shores. The connection they described, which I really appreciated, was that sea glass might stay being tossed and turned and driven this way and that way, and weathering storms and going through all different directions in the water for hundreds of years, up to 200 years, before it is actually recognized as the polished, beautiful sea glass that you find washed up on shore. Esterbrook referenced that time frame as saying that timeless takes time. And I like that. I like that a lot. Timeless takes time. It does. Okay, so you do have your standard, already very popular Esterbrook Estie design. Of course, the Estie is short for Esterbrook, and this is the oversized fountain pen. If you're not familiar with the Estie, its design is reminiscent of the 1930s. It's clean and it's understated. It's ringless. They do have right in the place where many will have a center ring, the Esterbrook name engraved. It's a spring metal clip. The ends are rounded, and the clip is fairly narrow. Okay, you do have a threaded cap. I particularly love the beautiful way their caps function. So it's threaded, and then right when it releases with like a controlled, it almost seems like a controlled like spring release, but it's just the way the cap and the threading is designed. Your pen is fitted with a German-made stainless steel Jovo nib. It's a number 6, and it does have the Esterbrook branding right there on the nib. It says a cartridge converter pen. So to fill your pen, you can use the included ink converter. You just pop it inside the section here, or the standard international ink cartridge that came with the pen. You install it in the same exact place. But your ink converter is already inside the barrel of your pen when you receive it. or it could be in the box, but it's usually in the barrel. Okay, so this is the newest color release for the standard Esterbrook Estie line, Sea Glass. Check it out at penchili.com.